What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video. This video will be a little bit different. This video is the Coco Cay Thrill Water Park POV series. In this video, you'll be seeing a POV from every water slide at Coco Cay. Disclaimer, the Daredevils Peak and Dueling Demons are not my POV. They are Royal Caribbean, so just a disclaimer. The Daredevil Peak may be a little shorter because it is Royal Caribbean. They didn't give me a full POV, but yeah, without further ado, we're going to start this video off on Daredevils Tower. This tower is the main tower you'll see when you dock at Coco Cay. Before you get there, you're going to walk up the flights of stairs and you're going to board one of these first ever water slides, which is the Manta Racers. There is an enclosed version and then a open version. We're going to start it off with the open version first. So right after this slide, you can either take the path, but here goes down the purple one.
Oh yeah, guys, the perfect day at Coco Cay truly is perfect.
So after you do the purple water slide, you can head up that same tower you got on, and then you can head up to the Green Mama.
Oh yeah, whoa, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah, get some speed. Oh yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Splash down. Whoa.
Well, that one was one of the fastest slides on the Thrill Water Park Tower other than Daredevil's Peak. Up next, we're going to be riding the vertical drop slide.
Here we go. Yeah.
So after you do that one, you're getting ready to go up to the main one, Daredevil's Peak, but before you get there, you must stop at these two vertical trapdoor slides. So after that slide, you should be now ready to do Daredevil's Peak. So our first water slide in Splash Summit will be the Family Tube Slide. Next up is the tube slide, the singular tube slide.
Oh yeah, here we go. Oh dark. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God, it's in the dark. One more. Ooh, lights. Here we go, another water splash off.
Our last water slide on our water slide tour will be the Family Racer slide called Splash Speedway. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed these Coco Cay Thrill Water Park POV series. If you guys did, please hit that subscribe button and smash the notifications bell, because you guys do want to be notified when I upload another amazing cruise content. And trust me, we got a whole lot of those coming, so please subscribe And guys, until the next time we're back here together, I am Tyler, and you are watching The Tyler Show.